Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. We will discuss fully funded fellowship in USA, and it's provided by the East West Center Fellowships Foundation. Before we dig further into this opportunity, let me remind you, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please press the red subscribe button. Also hit that like button so that we get encouraged to do more. If you have any doubt, please comment down below the video. You can get the link from the video description below. There is a link in description, click on that and it will be redirected to this our website. If you have not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. Also, you can message us anytime and ask for the link or any doubt you have. If you need any guidance, counseling related help, you can also send us any your doubts and we will guide you that, and it's totally free. So we post daily new opportunity here, so you can apply to any of the eligible opportunities. So starting the video here, you can check the United States East West Center Fellowship is providing this opportunity for international students to start from the 202 session. So the deadline for this is December 1st, 2021. And here is the eligible regions that can apply to this opportunity. These cover almost all of the except few European countries. So here is the eligibility criteria you can read and the benefits from this scholarship. So here is a list of required documents, and here is the deadline and application process. This part is very crucial for you and please listen carefully. The application process involves 2 steps if you follow our process. So if you follow this video, then we will apply to university, show you the both processes, how to get admission first, then how to submit the scholarship application. For admission you need to click this red, and for scholarship you need to click this yellow. If you don't follow our process, you have read our steps here, you can directly go to the scholarship section here. So let me show you this scholarship section first. After clicking on this submit scholarship application, it will take you to East West Center scholarship page. Here you can read about these scholarships as well and apply to them here. You can check details here. So you can apply to any of the scholarship, either you apply to university or not. So but there is no meaning to applying directly to the scholarship before you do not have any admissions, you do not have any acceptance. So why you waste your time in filling scholarship application only when you do not have admission? So that's why we have curated this video particularly for you. Please watch full video, and we do not want you to waste your time on filling only scholarship application and whether you have your admission or not. We want you have the admission also in USA, and then you can submit the scholarship application for that admission, so that will be meaningful for you. So to starting from the university admission, you have to click here on this apply to university admission first. Click on this red button. It will redirect you to the University of Hawaii Manoa website. Here is the international web application. So these are the only 3 steps that you need to complete. So step 1 is here. You need to just create an account and fill details. While filling details, it will automatically create your account, and this is application for admission also. So starting from your personal information, fill your personal information here, and then your contact details, birth, gender, your personal address, and your family details, ethnicity, and simply the other backgrounds. Then you have to click on this save and continue. Let me fill my details here, and then we will proceed to the step 2 academic details. So please fill your personal information here. So let me fill my personal information. So after filling the details here, click on save and continue. Now we have received an email, so we have to confirm our email, then we can start application. So selecting the email address, continue, and then change your password here. After that, click continue. Now it will take you back to the first page. Scroll down and click save and continue. Now submit your academic detail. What do you want? So I'm a new freshman, so I want enroll for the spring. No, we have not. Have you planned? Yes. So I'll be selecting the civil engineering. I am applying for the masters. So let me choose my course first. You have to choose your own course. After that, submit the high school. Now submit the high school information here. After that, submit college information. Now upload the official transcript, high school and college transcripts. After that, submit your personal statement. Now click on save and continue. So here is the final step. I certify and then submit application. So submit the online application of your portion. So make sure you have the full academic. And so let's download our application. So here our application is downloaded. Now make sure you have uploaded OK. So send us the official test scores if needed. So we don't need any test scores. So submit application fee. So here you can see the international application. Now we have to go to the scholarship section. Now click on this submit scholarship application. It will take you to this. So you can apply to any of these scholarship right now. So let me submit this application here. So it will take you to this sign in sign up page. So we have to create a sign up. So let me choose my password. Then click on sign up. Okay. Now use the same details that we have created here while filling this application. So click sign in. After you reach to this page, you can submit any of the scholarship. So here you can see we have previously submitted this application. So now today we will submit any other application. All are eligible for the scholarships. So just click on this submit application here. Now scroll down and type application new. Now fill details here. And choose files. Answer the questions. Then scroll down. And then submit here. So let me fill details. Select submit your first name, last. So after filling these details, choose the cover letter. So you have to attach 1 minute self introductory video here also. So after attaching all the documents and details, click on this submit here. So phone number has been incorrect. So after clicking on submit, you have to wait. So here you can see we have received the submitted email and we have successfully submitted this. So we can submit another scholarship as well. So if you want any other scholarship, you can submit as well. So I have previously submitted this also, and now I have submitted this also. So we can submit any of those. So now you will ask what was the meaning of that scholarship, that admission that we have submitted here in the University of Hawaii. So whenever they ask, do you have admissions, you can say yes, we have admissions. You can send the university form that we have downloaded here, and you can send them that the results undergoing, and they can allot you university as well. So I hope you have understood the whole process. Let me check if we have received any emails. So here you can check that the application successfully submitted for Asia Pacific Leadership Program. So I hope you have understood the whole process. You can skip this admission part also, and you can submit directly the scholarship application, but I want you to apply for both of these. So you have to read the application. Here you can check point 4. Step 1 is optional if you apply without following our process. We are not compelling you to follow our process, but in order to save your time, you can do this at the same time. So I hope you have understood the whole process of applying to scholarships. If you are new here, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.